Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Hey everyone, today I want to share with you a truth that the majority of men will never hear. It's something that's been deliberately hidden from us by society for centuries, wrapped in layers of fairy tale expectations and idealistic thinking about relationships, attraction, and women. What you're about to discover will forever change the way you see women and understand concepts like loyalty, respect, and attraction. It's a truth that women instinctively know but rarely ever admit outright, and it's crucial for every man to understand this in order to maintain power and attraction in a relationship. Think about it. We've been taught from a young age that if we simply love, provide, and remain consistent, women's loyalty, will, confidence, and dominance naturally follow. This comforting belief is far from the truth. In reality, women's loyalty and attraction are highly conditional. What truly matters is your strength, not just physical strength, but inner strength, confidence, and dominance. Throughout history, women chose men who could protect, provide, and dominate their environment. This primal instinct still exists today, though dominance now takes different forms such as leadership, emotional control, and decisiveness. Now imagine the moment a woman senses a man's dominance slipping, whether through complacency, insecurity, or indecision, her respect and attraction begin to fade. It's an unconscious primal response. So how can lesson number 1 you maintain this dominance in today's world? It's not about being overbearing or aggressive. It's about being unshakable, standing firm in your beliefs, and leading with confidence and decisiveness. Women are irresistibly drawn to men who can handle chaos with calm and composure. In this video, we'll delve deep into this ancient wisdom and uncover the secrets of maintaining dominance and attraction in modern relationships. We'll explore historical examples like the Spartans and draw parallels to today's world. By the end, you'll understand how to keep a woman's respect and attraction, not by controlling her but by mastering yourself. So if you're ready to transform your understanding of relationships and become the kind of man women are irresistibly drawn to, keep watching. This could be the game share you've been waiting for. One, understanding the conditional nature of attraction. Attraction is not a static trait, it's highly conditional and dynamic. Many men grow up with the notion that if they simply love and provide for a woman, her attraction will remain constant. The myth of attraction. This is a comforting myth, but far from reality. A woman's attraction is deeply rooted in her perception of a man's strength and dominance. These aren't merely physical traits but encompass emotional resilience, confidence, and emotional resilience, decisiveness. Think about it. Women throughout history have been drawn to men who can protect, provide, and lead. This instinct is embedded in their biology. When man displays strength not through aggression but through calm, confidence, and decisiveness, it triggers a primal response. In today's world, this might translate to handling stress gracefully, making informed decisions, and standing firm in your beliefs. Men who understand this dynamic adjust their behaviors accordingly. They don't rely solely on romantic gestures but focus on personal growth and maintaining a strong, unwavering presence. This doesn't mean being inflexible or domineering. It means being a stable rock in the turbulent seas of life. When a woman senses this strength, her attraction grows, fostering a deeper, more resilient connection to. The importance of emotional control. Emotional control is a cornerstone of maintaining dominance and attraction in a relationship. Women are naturally drawn to men who can keep their emotions in check, especially during stressful or challenging situations. This doesn't mean suppressing your feelings but managing them in a way that demonstrates maturity and stability. A man who can remain calm and composed even when faced with adversity exudes a sense of security. This trait is incredibly attractive because it signals to a woman that he can handle life's challenges without crumbling under pressure. Emotional control also involves responding thoughtfully rather than lesson number 2, reacting impulsively. This level-headedness reassures a woman that she can rely on you no matter what comes your way. Moreover, emotional control foster respect. When a man loses his temper or becomes overly emotional, it can lead to a loss of respect and consequently attraction. Conversely, when you handle situations with grace and poise, it strengthens her respect for you, deepening the attraction. It's about being the steady hand that guides the relationship through rough waters, maintaining an air of confidence and security. 3. Leadership and decisiveness. Decisiveness. Women are irresistibly drawn to men who exhibit leadership and decisiveness. These traits are not about dictating terms or being overbearing, but about having a clear vision and confidently making decisions. Leadership in a means being proactive, taking initiative and guiding both yourself and your partner towards shared goals. When a man takes the lead, it alleviates the pressure on the woman to make all the decisions, creating a balanced dynamic. This doesn't mean disregarding her opinions, rather it's about valuing her input while confidently steering the relationship. Decisiveness shows that you can take charge, an inherently attractive trait that signals reliability and strength. Leadership also means leading by example. Your actions and behaviors set the tone for the relationship. If you demonstrate commitment, integrity, and purpose, it's likely your partner will mirror these qualities. Women appreciate men who can. Lesson 3. Navigate life with a clear sense of direction, making them feel secure and valued. 4. Handling chaos with composure. Life is unpredictable, and how you handle chaos significantly impacts a woman's attraction towards you. Composure in the face of adversity is a powerful trait that conveys strength and reliability. When challenges arise, your ability to stay calm and composed reassures your partner that you can weather any storm together. Handling chaos effectively involves strategic thinking and emotional resilience. It's about not letting external pressures affect your internal state. When you remain level-headed, you make better decisions, and your partner sees you as a source of stability. This unwavering calmness fosters a deep sense of trust and security, crucial elements in sustaining attraction. Moreover, composure under pressure shows that you can manage not only your life but also provide support for your partner. Women find this trait incredibly attractive because it signifies that you're capable of protecting and guiding them through difficult times. Your strength becomes their strength, creating a harmonious and resilient partnership. The Spartan approach to relationships. Drawing inspiration from the Spartans can provide valuable insights into maintaining dominance and attraction. The Spartans were known for their discipline, strength, and resilience. Applying these principles to modern relationships involves cultivating a strong sense of self-discipline, prioritizing physical and mental strength, and showing unwavering resilience. Discipline in a relationship means setting and adhering to personal standards. This could be maintaining fitness, pursuing continuous self-improvement, or sticking to your values. When you exhibit it discipline, it not only enhances your self-worth but also boosts your partner's respect and admiration for you. Resilience is equally mastering yourself. Important relationships like life have ups and downs. Demonstrating resilience by facing challenges head-on and bouncing back from setbacks strengthens your bond. Women are drawn to men who can persevere through adversity, as it signals a deep inner strength. This Spartan approach fosters a sense of security and admiration, key elements in sustaining attraction. 6. Mastering yourself to attract others. The ultimate key to maintaining a woman's respect and attraction is mastering yourself. Self-mastery involves continuous self-improvement, emotional intelligence, and a deep understanding of your strengths and weaknesses. It's about being the best version of yourself, not just for your partner but for your own fulfillment. Self-mastery starts with self-awareness. Understanding your triggers, motivations, and areas for improvement allows you to navigate life more effectively. It also involves setting and achieving personal goals, which boosts your confidence and sense of purpose. When you are confident and purposeful, it naturally attracts others to you, including your partner. Moreover, self-mastery encompasses emotional intelligence. Being attuned to your emotions and those of your partner enables you to communicate effectively and navigate relationship dynamics smoothly. This emotional savvy enhances your ability to connect deeply, fostering a stronger, more resilient bond. By focusing on mastering yourself, you not only enhance your own life but also create a magnetic presence that draws others to you. Your partner will respect and be attracted to your unwavering commitment to personal growth and excellence, ensuring a lasting and fulfilling relationship. Thank you for watching. By understanding these principles and applying them to your life, you can transform your relationships and become the kind of man who naturally attracts and maintains a woman's respect and attraction. Remember, it's not about controlling others but mastering yourself. Stay confident, stay strong, and keep growing. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on relationships, psychology, and personal development. Until next time, keep striving to be the best version of yourself. See you in the next video.